Hi there, it's Manal from Minis Craft Boutique. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy and quick and pretty beautiful birthday present card. It's it literally took me less than 15 minutes to prep and prepare this card. It is you can say a last minute card. If you do not have anything in your stash already prepared, you can just dig out your cardstock and your pattern papers and just stick them together and give this card a beautiful look. So let's get started. Alright, for this card, these are the supplies that you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a card base, you're going to need some pattern paper, a ribbon, and a plain cardstock panel just to put your gift boxes on. So all the measurements required for these supplies are mentioned on my blog. The link is given in the description box below, and you can follow the measurements from there. So I'll be fast forwarding the video and showing you the procedure of how to make this card. So here's your birthday card ready. You see, it didn't take any longer to make this card, and it's pretty simple, easy, yet makes a very good greeting card. And you can always write a sentiment inside. You can stamp your sentiment or whatever you like. So I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.